and ask your doubts. Any doubt? Yes, Archana.
Sir, in this particular scenario, this will not lead to a business purchase agreement.
Okay, see, share purchase, as of now, we are understanding the concept of share purchase agreement as well as asset purchase agreement. Right? Business purchase agreement or business transfer agreement as of now is different thing as of now. But this example was given to understand the concept of asset purchase agreement as well as share purchase agreement.
Okay, but because since this is an OPC, so
Right.
since he has sold all his shares, so apart from share purchase agreement, will it not lead to a business transfer agreement also?
See, if we are okay, sir. So, for example, you are saying, sir, in this example, if we are selling the shares, Prateek has sold out its all shares. Whether business purchase agreement will also be executed? The answer is yes. The answer is yes.
Okay.
But apart from this, share purchase agreement will be executed. See,
So
this one is important.
will be executed. Both.
Right. You got the concept?
Yes, yes. So share purchase, obviously, because he's selling the shares, but since it is OPC, he's also selling the entire business.
Correct.
Business.
You can see, for example, the ultimate goal is to acquire the assets of the company, the business of the company, right?
Yes.
So if you are buying the shares of the company, you will ultimately become the owner of all the business. Yes or no?
Yes.
So please try to understand this. Please try to understand this. I am just giving one more example to you. Just try to understand this. For example, this is very, very, very important. See, let's say Prateek is transferring or Prateek is selling his shares to Mr. Gopal in this case. Now, the question is very important, whether only share purchase agreement will be executed or business transfer agreement or business purchase agreement will also be executed. Now, Archana, please try to understand this concept in the easy language. For example, let's say Mr. Gopal is purchasing the shares of Corporate Guru Private Limited. Ultimately, he is becoming the owner of all these assets. Ultimately. But he is not acquiring the asset. He is acquiring the shares. And thereafter, he is acquiring the business. Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
So business is being acquired in consequences of the share purchase agreement only. Is only because of share purchase agreement. Many practicing professionals, what they do, they just entered share purchase agreement because जो result है इसका, result क्या हो रहा है? Result इसका business purchase agreement में ही हो रहा है अपने आप. The resultant is that Gopal is becoming the owner of the company and he will be entitled to have the assets, to have the business in their own name. So many professionals, out of 10, 9 professionals will do the share purchase agreement only. Because ultimately share purchase agreement sign करने के बाद वो business acquire कर रहा है, no problem at all. But to safeguard the interest also, थोड़ा सा safeguard चलने के लिए, some practicing professionals do make SPA as well as business purchase agreement. But my opinion is that you don't need to execute two in that case. अगर आप ये वाला scenario लेके चल रहे हो कि प्रतीक है और प्रतीक गोपाल को सेल कर रहा है, if you are having this scenario, you don't need to enter the business purchase agreement because ये तो एक resultant है. This is the resultant. You are ultimately getting this. Just because you are executing the share purchase agreement, you are getting this. So you don't need to execute business purchase agreement or business transfer agreement in this case. But अभी मैं scenario लेता हूँ जहाँ पर you have to execute both the agreements.
So in this case, we can just name the agreement as share purchase and business transfer agreement. Just
Achha, you are saying, sir, whether we should compile all these documents, right?
Yeah, like in the first lecture, you said that share subscription and shareholders agreement was clubbed.
Correct.
So in this case, can we do that?
You can just mention one clause in the share purchase agreement.
Achha, okay.
Right?
Yes.
Yes, Prabhat? Prabhat, you were raising hand. Go ahead, please.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes, very much audible, dear.
Sir, if Prateek is selling his 9,000 share, suppose, so will there be business purchase agreement is possible or only SPA?
Okay, so sir, you are saying now Prateek is only selling 9,000 shares. 9,000 shares.
Yes.
Now you know very well if Prateek is selling 9,000 shares and Prateek के पास अभी भी 1,000 shares है. In that case, 2 agreements will be signed. Who will let me know the answer in the chat box? Yes, anyone? Prabhat, you wanna
Yes,
answer?
sir.
Archana?
Yes, the share purchase agreement and shareholder agreement.
SPA as well as shareholders agreement. Yes or no?
Yes, yes, sir.
Correct. In that case, we are not transferring the business because अभी भी हम पे 1,000 shares है.
Okay, sir.
You got the concept?
Yes, sir. Yes. Thank you,
Yes.
sir.
अच्छा, एक डाउट आ रहा है चैट में. Let me see the doubt. Sir, I am getting confused with business transfer agreement and business purchase agreement and share purchase. Okay, beta. This one is very, very, very important. You just have to see the magic. For example, beta, see, business transfer agreement and business purchase agreement is one thing, first of all. Now, asset purchase agreement is different thing. This one is very, very, very important. Please try to understand. Just a second. See this. Let's say if you are buying the business, see, this is very, very important. Now I am again giving one more example. Let's say ultimately Gopal will have the control of the company as he has more than 75. Very nice, Sagar. I'm proud of you. For example, dear, this one is very important. Let's say Prateek Limited has plant and machinery. Just an example. मैं आपको यहाँ पे चैट कर लेता हूँ शेयर. या चलो मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल देता हूँ. Let me share one example. For example, Prateek Incorporated Corporate Guru Private Limited. Corporate Guru Private Limited has various assets. For example, this pen. For example, this tab. For example, this laptop. Okay. Now this is the assets of the company. Now, if you are buying the asset, this laptop, which agreement you have to execute in this case? Yes. किसका डाउट था वो? Just let me check. किसका डाउट था? Chitrakshi. Yes, please go ahead, Chitrakshi. For example, Corporate Guru Private Limited has 3 assets. One is this pen, one is this tab, and one is this laptop. Now, if I am interested in buying the laptop of the company, which agreement we have to execute? So the answer is assets purchase agreement. No problem at all. Understood. Now, please try to understand this in very, very easy example. Now, for example, through this assets only, I am running my education business. Through this assets only, for example, this pen, this tab, and this laptop, I am running my education business. Baiju is interesting in buying my education business. Do let me know which agreement will have to be executed in this case. Yes. Yes, Chitrakshi. Business purchase agreement. Very nice. Very nice. So क्या मैं ऐसा बोल सकता हूँ? In every business purchase agreement, you will transfer the assets. You will transfer the assets and liability to the third person. Yes or no? But in every asset purchase agreement, it is not mandatory that you are transferring the business to that person. You got the concept now? Please try to understand. This is very, very, very important. I had words with the top employee. You can see the associate partner of the big law firm. He was also very, very, very confused. What is the difference between business purchase agreement as, sir, why not business transfer agreement? Why not business transfer agreement? Sir, I want to say something. Yes, Amanpreet, please go ahead first of all.
Good evening, sir.
Very good evening, dear.
Sir, I just want to say there is a difference between private company, public company, and their shareholders.
Yes.
The assets will be in the name of the company.
Correct.
So if one person is transferring shares to the other person, so
Right.
there will be the share transfer agreement or share purchase agreement. There
Correct.
won't be any business transfer agreement or business purchase agreement because
Correct.
there is a corporate veil
I do understand.
between the
See,
shareholders and the company.
I do understand. See, ये बुक में लिखा होता है corporate veil, lifting of corporate veil भी तो बड़ा concept है.
हाँ जी सर, वो है,
The
but
ultimate
business
honor.
transfer
The
agreement तो नहीं बनेगा.
हाँ जी.
बिजनेस ट्रांसफर एग्रीमेंट तो सर पॉसिबिलिटी रूल्ड आउट हो जाती है बिकॉज वो कंपनी के नेम पे होता है एसेट्स
कौन
और
से
एक
वाले
पर्सन
केस में आप कह रहे हो? ये वाले केस में कह रहे हो? This one.
suppose one person is transferring his all shares to other person.
For example, Prateek is transferring all its shares, right, to Mr. Gopal.
Yes.
Correct. In that case, the share purchase agreement will be executed. Correct.
Yes.
Now, this is very, 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 very important. For example, this company is running the business. Company का business है. Let's say इनका एक cinema है. This company has the cinema. जहां पर ये movies चला के income earn करते हैं, right or no? So
Yes.
अगर प्रतीक अपने shares 100% shares transfer कर रहा है, if Prateek is selling 100% shares to Mr. Gopal, don't you think कि जो ये business है, this business जो cinema वाला business है, is also transferring? Yes or no?
Yes.
हाँ जी अमनप्रीत.
But जैसे आपने कहा it is resultant.
Correct.
मतलब
It is
there is no
resultant.
need to execute particularly. मैं बस इतना बोलना चाह रही हूँ.
See, मैं वही बता रहा हूँ, safeguard the interest, share purchase agreement में ही ये एक clause डाल देते हैं.
Yes.
That the resultant, for example, whatsoever the rights with respect to this share is also being transferred.
Yes.
ध्यान से समझो. Whatsoever the rights with attached to this shares is also being transferred. इसका मतलब जो rights है, for example ये जो cinema है, वो भी transfer हो रहा है indirect way में. कहना यही चाह रहा है.
Yes.
You got the point, Amanpreet?
Yes.
Yes, Bhagyashri, any other doubt to you? Is business purchase agreement and business transfer agreement is same? Yes, Muskan. Yes, synonyms hai. No problem at all. But asset purchase agreement is different. Asset purchase agreement is slight different. Yes, any other doubt to anyone? So, sir, do let me know the answer in the chat box. In every business purchase agreement, whether there will be the transfer of assets with respect to the business only, with respect to the business that is being transferred. Do let me know the answer in the chat box. Yes, sir. If we are transferring the business, whatsoever the assets, the whole assets and the whole liability will also be transferred to the person to whom this business is being sold. Please, this is very important. Now, for example, if we are transferring the assets, whether it is mandatory that the business will also be transferred? Correct. This is most important. This is very, very, very important. So, for example, this is very important. For example, I am running my education business with three things. Let's say this pen, this tab, and the laptop. Baiju is interested in buying my education business, let's say. So, if Baiju is buying my education business, don't you think my tablet, my pen, and my laptop will also be transferred to them? Yes, sir. This is important concept. But for example, the Baiju is only interested in buying my intellectual. The Baiju is only interested in buying my intellectual, is buying my laptop. Do let me know whether there will be the business transfer in that case. No, sir. This will be only the asset purchase agreement. So we have to understand this. Ki, sir, once we execute the business purchase agreement, all the assets will be transferred with respect to this business. But if we are executing the asset purchase agreement, no business will be transferred. It is not mandatory. अगर आपका इसमें कोई doubt है, you are very much allowed to ask. कोई भी छोटा सा doubt हो. Yes, प्रभात, अभिषेक, आदर्श, आदित्य, शशांक. इसमें तो कोई doubt नहीं है, I hope. When shall we make business purchase agreement instead of SPA? Acha, when shall we make a business purchase agreement instead of SPA? Okay, no problem at all. This is again very, very, very important. इसको but मैं क्लास के बाद समझाता हूँ मुस्कान आपको. No problem at all. So, sir, we have understood as of now these three things. Just one more example. Just one more example. Yes. So, as of now, we have understood the basic concept of asset purchase agreement. This is very, very, very important. In this asset purchase agreement, we will transfer the specified assets. Sir, I will say, sir, मुझे ये buy करना है, मुझे tablet buy करना है. I wanna buy tablet. I wanna buy the laptop. I will specify the assets in the asset purchase agreement. And now, all the risk attached with the assets will also be transferred. Yes or no? IP related to the assets will also be transferred. So if I am buying one asset, all the risk associated with that asset will also be transferred. No problem at all. Sir, purchase price kya hoga? For example, Baiju is saying, sir, I want to buy the laptop as well as the tablet from you. I will say, give me 20,000 rupees, let's say. So, sir, मैं 20,000 rupees तो ये lump sum payment में लूंगा ना, in one installment. Yes or no? अब ये मेरे ऊपर discretion है. It is totally my discretion whether to have the lump sum payment or the payment in the installment. But this is the standard that many people like to take the lump sum payment in that case. And this is very, very, very important. No shares will be allotted. Because अगर shares allot करोगे तो वो तो share purchase agreement या तो share subscription agreement में आ जाएगा. No problem at all. Now again this is very important. Purchase price जो होगा shall not be subjected to escalation. इसका ये मतलब है, for example, my laptop is rupees of 1 lakh rupees. Okay. Now as on date today we are executing the agreement. The asset purchase agreement we are executing today, but payment की date है let's say 20 July, and 20 July को my laptop increase the value of rupees 1,50,000 rupees. Do let me know which amount the buyer has to pay, 1 lakh rupees or 1,50,000 rupees. Sir, 1 lakh rupees. Just because जो purchaser होगा, he will have one clause that sir, the price shall not be subject to escalation. Price को बेटा increase हमें नहीं करना. Every purchaser will include this in the agreement. No problem at all, sir. We have understood. Now, this is again very, very, very important in front of you. Again, one more example to clear your concept. Let's say Prateek Incorporated Corporate Guru Private Limited, and this Corporate Guru Private Limited has 10 assets. This Corporate Guru Private Limited has 10 assets. No problem. Step 3. One person is intending to buy some assets of the company. No problem. Step 4. One agreement will be executed, and you know very well which agreement will be executed in that case. So now we have understood asset purchase agreement will be executed in that case. No problem at all. Now, sir, we have understood now, once we execute the asset purchase agreement, the person is not buying the company. Oh, the person is not buying the company. The person is only buying the assets only. Sir, who will be the owner of the company? The person who has brought the assets or the Prateek? Do let me know the answer in the chat box. Who will be the owner? Sir, we know the concept. Prateek will be the owner in that case. No problem at all. Prateek will remain the owner of the company. Share purchase agreement will not be executed in that case. Very nice. Now, so this is very, very, very important. Merger or acquisition, अगर हमें करना है, all the assets will be sold. But in the asset purchase agreement, buyer के पास right होता है to select the assets. Okay, sir. So for example, if we execute the business purchase agreement, all the assets with respect to the business will be sold out. But अगर हम asset purchase agreement को execute करते हैं, the buyer has the right to select the appropriate asset which he intend to buy in that case. This is very 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 important. आजकल ये बहुत ज्यादा चल रहा है, काफी लाइन में है. That's why मैंने आपको एक concept समझाया. What is the difference, the main difference between share purchase agreement, business purchase agreement, and the asset purchase agreement in that case. I'm again sharing a screen with all of you. Let's say मैंने आपको business purchase agreement एक दिया था, this one. Yes or no? I have given you one business purchase agreement. This is very 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 important. किस किसने ये वाला business purchase agreement पढ़ा है? Raise your hand if you have studied this business purchase agreement. No sir, हमने नहीं किया. किसी भी ने नहीं किया ये? नहीं किया sir. Okay. Now this is very 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 important. This business, for one person is saying, I don't have this. Muskan, why don't you have this? I have shared the same in the WhatsApp group. I have shared the same in the WhatsApp group. Why don't you have it? So it's my first day. Oh, okay. So you don't have in this class. Oh, all right, all right. Have you seen all the last 6 lecture, Muskan? Yes, Muskan. No, sir. अरे तो आपको बेटा सबसे पहले वो देखना था. You should first watch all those lectures. You first of all have to see this. Okay. So for example, in the last class, I have given you the business purchase agreement. So एक कंपनी थी जिनके काफी सारे बिजनेस थे. डिफेंस था, एविएशन था, एरोस्पेस था, एनर्जी था, एसेट्रा एंड एसेट्रा. नाउ फॉर एग्जांपल, ये जो कंपनी थी क्या सेल कर रही है? This company is selling, this is very important, defense business. And this is very 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 important. If one company is selling the defense business, don't you think that all the assets with respect to the defense business will also be sold out in that case? Yes or no? Very nice, Sagar, Akritika, Pritika, Muskan. Very nice. I'm so glad, Muskan, that you are giving the answer and it's your first day. Very nice. So, sir, all the assets with respect to the defense business will be sold out in that case. Now, sir, for example, this is very, very, very important. I am just giving you one more example. Yes. Just a second. See, this is very, very, very important. The parties acknowledge and agrees that those assets of defense business undertaking shall also become the property of the purchaser. आप सारे शैतान बच्चे हो, आप लोग होमवर्क नहीं करते. So sir, this is now very, very, very important जो हमने पढ़ा. अगर मैं आपको एक लाइन में समझाना चाहूँ ना, तो क्या मैं ये लिख सकता हूँ? अब मैं एक स्टेटमेंट लिख रहा हूं. आई एम राइटिंग वन स्टेटमेंट. डू लेट मी नो वेदर आई एम राइटिंग करेक्ट और नॉट. इन एवरी business purchase agreement, there will be asset purchase agreement, but in every asset purchase agreement, it is not mandatory to have business purchase agreement. Do let me know the answer in the chat box whether this is the right statement or not. Very nice, sir. Very nice. This is very, very important. Business purchase has the broader era. किसने ये line लिखी है? मानसी ने. Very nice, बेटा. I am proud of all of you. ये एक छोटा सा concept था, छोटा सा, but इसमें काफी सारे practicing professionals, many practicing professionals will fail to understand this basic concept. जो भी drafting के महान बड़े बड़े लोग हैं ना, courses जो भी चल रहे हैं, just they will tell you the templates, but that will not help you. You have to understand each and every in the detailed manner. So this line is very, 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 very important, that in every business purchase agreement, there will be the asset purchase agreement. But it is not important that in every purchase agreement, there will be the business purchase agreement. Just a second, I am again sharing a screen with all of you. Yes. So now this is very, very, very important. I am again now sharing the asset purchase agreement with you. Sir, the asset purchase agreement is being executed by the company, okay? The company as well as one another person. Another person ये कोई भी हो सकता है, company भी हो सकती है, गोपाल भी हो सकता है, कोई और भी हो सकता है, third person also. No problem. Now this is, see this line, this is very important. Transfer of specified asset. Specified asset is most important in the asset purchase agreement. You are not transferring the business in this case. You are just transferring the specified assets. And sir, specified assets को आपको कहीं ना कहीं तो mention करना पड़ेगा. You have to mention the list of specified assets, yes or no? So I am again sharing the screen, this one. See, this is very important. Where is the specified assets? Yeah, specified indemnity. This one is important. Description of specified assets. So equipment, intellectual property, customers, transferred contract, office space I am buying. So this is important. In the asset purchase agreement, you are buying the assets of the company, not the business of the company. Ultimately, ऐसा हो सकता है कि अगर आप सारी की सारी ही assets कर रहे हो, तो business भी transfer हो जाए. Ultimately हो सकता है, but that is not mandatory in all the cases. So that is why the line is important, and we have understood that in every business purchase agreement, there will be the asset purchase agreement, but in every asset purchase agreement, it is not mandatory to have the business purchase agreement. So ये business purchase agreement आपके सामने है. We have understood this concept. अब आपको क्या करना है? I will share the screen as well as this template with all of you. Easily आपको clear हो जाएगा. We have understood the concept in the easy as well as the example manner. अगर आपका अब कोई doubt है, if you have any doubt with respect to this, do not hesitate to ask. You are very much allowed to raise your hand, to unmute yourself. Aditi, please go ahead if you have the doubt. Yes, Aditi. Okay, yes, Bhagyashri. Pradyusha, please go ahead. No doubt at all. You have understood the concept? Anji. Yes, Chitrakshi, do you have any doubt with respect to this? Yes, Archana, please go ahead.
So if all the assets are transferred, so
Okay.
again the resultant could be a business transfer agreement.
Correct. For example, see, this is very, very, very important. For example, Prateek has only 3 assets to run the education business. Okay. Let's say tablet, IPR, my intellectual, the laptop, as well as this pen. If I am transferring all the assets, I will not be able to carry my business. Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
So in that case, I am ultimately transferring my business. For example, I am transferring my intellectual property also. Sir, go ahead. I am selling my intellectual. I am selling my mind. But अगर मैं reserve कर रहा हूँ कि sir, I am selling my all assets, still जो भी income आएगी वो आप ले लो. But business तो run मैं ही करूँगा. I will run the business. So I am not transferring my business in that case. I am just transferring the assets. So you just have to take the, or you just have to have words with the buyer as well as the seller कि उनकी intention क्या है, what they want exactly. उसके हिसाब से आपको execute करना पड़ेगा agreement ही.
And what if he still continues to hold the shares but has transferred all the assets?
Okay. So in that case, the business asset purchase agreement will be executed, correct?
Yes.
Prateek will be the ultimate owner of the company, correct?
Yes.
Now, sir, how the income will be divided between the investor as well as the Prateek? Yes?
Okay, हाँ.
Now this is important. For example, if Prateek is the owner and all the assets of the companies are being purchased by one person, let's say Baiju. So sir, Baiju earn क्या करेगा अगर owner Prateek है तो? You got the concept?
Yes, yes.
So Baiju earn कैसे करेगा? वो कहेगा Prateek sell your shares also in that case.
So the income will be divided between the two, like mutually agreed.
Correct. वो mutually agreed होगा कि कैसे कैसे मुझे execute करना है.
Acha, fine, understood. Yes, yes.
Correct. Sir, so is it mandatory that even if we sell all assets, business should be transferred? See, this is again very important. अगर मैं अपनी कंपनी की सारी assets बेच रहा हूँ, if I am selling all the assets of my company, again 99% cases में in that case I will transfer my business also. I will transfer my business. But there may be one case wherein I am reserving my right to do the business in my name. I may reserve. But that is very, very, very slight chances. There is very, very slight chances. If I am transferring all my assets of the company, I will also have the business transfer agreement in that case. For example, आपको मैं एक internal की news बताता हूँ. Baiju is planning to buy, for example, various online education websites. Baiju is planning to buy. In that case, all the assets and the liability of that company, the online education company, will be transferred and the business will be run by the Baiju itself. Yes or no, Chitrakshi? So in that case, the Baiju will become the ultimate owner. He will also acquire the shares also. The Baiju will also acquire the shares. So Baiju will acquire the shares. Ultimately, all the assets as well as the business will be transferred. So right criteria क्या होता है? अगर investor प्रतीक जो है अपने shares ही sale कर दे, if Prateek is selling all the shares to the Baiju, ultimately Baiju will have the assets of the company. Ultimately, the Baiju will have the business of the company. You got the concept? If Prateek, yes sir, clear sir, yes. So let's say Prateek ने invest किए 10,000 shares in the Corporate Group Private Limited, and Corporate Group Private Limited thereafter buys various assets. Now Prateek is selling the shares of the Corporate Group Private Limited. So जो भी person होगा वो ultimately owner बन जाएगा कंपनी का, वो ultimately owner बन जाएगा business का, वो ultimately owner बन जाएगा assets का. Yes or no? Yes sir, very nice. That was the concept. But there may be separate agreement for income distribution if the shares are not acquired. Very nice, Muskan. That is your first class? Yes, sir. Very nice. I am so glad, Muskan, that you are asking so much questions. So proud of you. Very nice. So, sir, in that case, if Prateek is not transferring the share, Prateek is not transferring the shares, Prateek is just transferring the assets of the company. In that case, the investor as well as Prateek will have the discussion. Sir, पैसे कैसे कैसे बटेंगे? How the income will be distributed in that case? Yes or no? Correct. Now,
And
any
sir,
other doubt? Yes, yes. Go ahead, please.
if he's buying all the assets and only part of the shares, then
If he is buying all the assets, no problem. And the part of the shares. अच्छा आपको ये वाला example ले लूँ मैं. For example, this one. Very nice. ऐसे questions पूछोगे मजा आएगा. For example, प्रतीक के पास 10,000 shares है. Correct. All the assets, this assets is being transferred to Gopal. But apart from this, Prateek is also selling 1,000 shares to Gopal. यही तो आप कहना चाहते हो ना?
yes, yes, sir.
So, sir, in that case, who will be the owner of the company? Sir, Prateek, because major shares किसके पास है अभी भी? Yes. Very nice, Sagar. I am so proud of you. Ashna, do let me know who is the ultimate owner still as of now?
Prateek only.
Prateek only, because यहाँ पे तो 1,000 shares है ना अभी still. So the ultimate owner is still the Prateek. Owner of the company is Prateek, but the owner of assets is Gopal. You got the concept now?
And if equal shares they hold, then like if he transfers 5,000 shares.
Right, so they are all the co-owners of the company in that case.
Okay, and then matlab it won't be an OPC, then he'll have to convert it later.
Correct, वो तो सिंपल सी बात है, वो तो करना पड़ेगा ना, ओपीसी में 2 मेंबर्स कैसे आ जाएंगे?
So if 5,000, then they will become co-owners. And
They will
if
become the
6
co-owner.
and 4, then the person who has maximum shares will become the.
Correct. Majority shares तो किसी पे होंगे तो वही ओनर है.
Yes, yes.
He is the ultimate owner. Very nice. और किसी का कोई डाउट? कुछ बचना नहीं चाहिए. देखो ये जो हम डाउट्स जो कर रहे हैं ना, आप ये आगे 10 years बाद 20 years बाद सीखोगे. एक्चुअली में अगर कर रहे हो तो समझो, दिस कॉन्सेप्ट इज वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट. शेयर परचेज अग्रीमेंट है, बिजनेस ट्रांसफर अग्रीमेंट है, एसेट परचेज अग्रीमेंट है, स्लम सेल है, स्पेसिफाइड सेल है. ऑल दिस थिंग्स वी हैव अंडरस्टूड नाउ. अगर अभी भी स्टिल कोई भी डाउट आपका लेफ्ट हो, यू आर वेरी मच अलाउड टू आस्क. कोई भी छोटा से लेके बड़ा. Yes, Bhagyashree, Adarsh, Aditya, Ahwan. Any doubt? Yes, Muskan, please go ahead.
Good evening, sir.
Very good evening,
Sir,
Muskan.
we are just taking examples of one-person company. So what in the case the company is incorporated by 2 persons and like one of the persons transfers his shares while the other, like suppose X and Y, X transfers his shares, but Y does not transfer his shares. So like why are we taking example of only one person company in this
चलो
case?
example ये ले लेते हैं. देखो, for example, Prateek, just let me change this one. Let's say, just a second. Let's say this. Prateek, yes, this one. Yes, for example, Muskan, Prateek and Piyush, okay, they are incorporating one firm, corporate Guru Private Limited. No problem at all. No problem इसमें. Now let's say इनके पास कितने shares है? Just a second. प्रतीक के पास 1000 shares है. Okay, इसको मुझे ना डेप्थ कम करनी पड़ेगी. या प्रतीक के पास 1000 shares है, पीयूष के पास भी 1000 shares है. No problem, sir. So in total, Corporate Guru Private Limited has 2000 shares. Okay. Corporate Guru Private Limited के पास एक asset भी है. No problem at all. Now, for example, this is very, very, very important. For example, let's say Mr. Gopal is interested in buying this asset of the company. First of all, one question to all of you. Which agreement will be executed when Gopal is interested in buying the asset of the company? Sir, we know asset purchase agreement. ये तो हमें understood है. Yes or no?
Right, sir.
Now, sir, for example, who will be the owner of the company in that case? Do let me know again. Who is the owner of the company? Sir, Prateek as well as Piyush are the co-owner of the company. No problem at all. Now, for example, let's say Prateek is selling his shares, 1000 shares, in that case to Mr. Gopal also. ऐसा भी तो हो सकता है कि प्रतीक जो है सेल कर रहा है अपने 1000 shares to Gopal. सर ये तो प्राइवेट कंपनी है. Let's say कर दिए, still कर दिए, Prateek has sold out all its 1000 shares to Gopal. No problem at all. Now this is very, very, very important. Prateek अब bye-bye कर देगा. Gopal will be the owner. So fresh ownership कैसे हो जाएगी? पीयूष, प्रतीक, पीयूष रहेगा as well as गोपाल हो जाएगा. पीयूष एंड गोपाल होल्ड करेंगे 1000 शेयर्स. ये कॉर्पोरेट गुरु है, कंपनी है, और इसकी जो एसेट्स थी इसको किसने बाय कर लिया था? गोपाल ने बाय कर लिया था. मुस्कान. नाउ which agreements will be executed in that case? That is very, very, very important. So this is important. For example, yes, do let me know which agreement will be executed in that case.
So between Gopal and Prateek, I guess share purchase agreement.
Okay, share purchase agreement will be executed.
Right.
Correct. Okay, asset purchase agreement किसके बीच में होगा?
Company and Gopal.
Company and Gopal के बीच में होगा. अच्छा, last one more doubt. सर क्या शेयर होल्डर अग्रीमेंट होगा? शेयर होल्डर्स अग्रीमेंट, shareholders agreement, let's say between the company, existing shareholder कौन है? पीयूष and गोपाल. Yes, क्या ऐसा होगा क्या? प्रभात is
Yes,
saying no, सागर is saying yes. अब कुछ बच्चे yes कह रहे हैं, कुछ बच्चे no कह रहे हैं. चित्राक्षी, ये आपका डाउट था, मुझे याद आया. सर डीड ऑफ अधेरेंस क्या होता है? अगर चित्राक्षी आप यहाँ पर हो तो आर यू हियर और नॉट? यस सर. तो सर deed of adherence क्या होता है? That is very 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 important. Now see this is very important. Sir deed of adherence क्या होता है? Thereafter you will able to understand sir shareholders agreement आएगा या नहीं आएगा. Okay, see this is very important. हमें कहाँ जाना है? शेयर परचेज अग्रीमेंट पे जाना है. Just a second. No, we don't know this. Just a second. हमें कहाँ जाना है? वो बच्चा कहाँ गया? No, this one is also not the right. Yes. Deed of adherence. That is very 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 important. यही वाले केस में था नहीं था? No, इस वाले में भी नहीं था. Just a second. प्रैक्टिस मैनुअल बच्चे ने दिया था. चित्राक्षी, if it was share subscription agreement. Just a second, मैं एक deed of adherence खोल रहा हूँ आप सबके लिए. That is very important to understand. उसके बाद हमारा सब कुछ हो जाएगा. Everything will be crystal clear in that case now. Just a second. Practice exercise हो गया. Deed of adherence हो गया. Set purchase agreement हो गया. Just a second. कहाँ गया? Set purchase share. Yeah, this one is important. I am sharing a screen with all of you. How to share this screen? Yeah. See this. Sir, this is important. Deed of adherence क्या होती है? अगर आपने पढ़ा होगा, so you must have this also. So deed of adherence. This is very important. Do let me know, sir. The new shareholder. This is very 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 important. This is very important. Try to understand this. I, a company मतलब कौन हो गया यहाँ पर? Corporate guru हो गया. अच्छा. Name of old shareholders. Old shareholders mean let's say पीयूष हो गया यहाँ पर. Yes or no? पीयूष हो गया. To abide by settled terms. Correct. And the name of new shareholders, new shareholder will be Gopal. In that case. Now, अब ध्यान से समझना, जो शेयर होल्डर अग्रीमेंट होगा वो किसके बीच में साइन हुआ होगा? प्रतीक एज वेल एज पीयूष के बीच में. Once they have incorporated the corporate group private limited, so shareholder agreement must be executed between Prateek as well as Piyush. Yes or no? Yes sir. It is very much possible कि one shareholder agreement to execute होगा. Now let's say Prateek is selling all his shares to Mr. Gopal. Now Gopal is the new shareholders. जो shareholder agreement sign हुआ होगा Prateek as well as Gopal के बीच में, the shareholders agreement which must have executed between the Prateek as well as Gopal, उसी same and terms condition से Prateek as well as Piyush, same term से ही आपको मानना पड़ेगा. किसको मानना पड़ेगा? गोपाल को. Yes or no? जो new shareholder है Gopal will have to abide by the same terms and condition जो execute हुई होगी किसके बीच में? Prateek as well as Piyush. This is the concept of deed of adherence. कि सर जो shareholder agreement execute हुआ होगा earlier, you have to take that as the record. See, this one is important. Now, यहाँ क्या कहना चाह रहा है? Say this. अगर आपको समझना है deed of adherence, this is very very important. The name of old shareholders. The old shareholders mean the Piyush in this case. The name of new shareholders. New shareholder will be the Gopal. Gopal will have to abide by the terms जो settle हुई है प्रतीक and Piyush के बीच में. Yes or no? Gopal will have to abide by these two terms. So ये हमारा एक concept हो जाता है deed of adherence का, to abide by the settled, जो term settled है, very nice Mansi, उसके बीच में. Yes, Chitrakshi, now you have the doubt in this case. Where are you? Bhagyashri, yes, your mic is on unmute stage. You have the doubt? No, sir, no doubt is left. Yes, Archana?
So deed of adherence is executed only when all the shares are sold, or even if part shares are sold?
Achha, for example, sir, let's say Prateek jo hai, Prateek is selling 1,000 shares out of, let's say 10,000 shares. Okay.
So Prateek and Piyush are there in this company, and suppose Prateek is selling part of his shares to Gopal.
Correct. So जो part shares वाली terms and conditions है, for example, if I am selling part shares, 1,000 shares, जो terms and conditions मेरे पे apply होती है with respect to 1,000 shares, Gopal will also have to abide with those terms and conditions. Yes or no?
Yes, but since Prateek is also holding shares, won't shareholders agreement also be executed?
Prateek is also, shareholders agreement will be executed in that case.
And also deed of adherence.
Also the deed of adherence.
Okay.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Very nice. Yes, Prabhat, you have given the answer. Very nice. I am so proud of you. Even part case also. छोटे में आपने answer दे दिया. शाबाश. Yes. Any other doubt to anyone? ये जो concept है, most important concept है. I was just going through with one job, and they were giving the salary of rupees 15 lakh rupees per annum, not per month. 15 lakh rupees per annum. जिनको ये contract drafting, shareholders purchase agreement, etc. आता है. Thorough knowledge उनको चाहिए. They require the thorough knowledge. I will share the screenshot with you. उनकी क्या requirement थी. You may have the words with them, but you have to analyze each and every term with respect to this. कोई भी doubt बचना नहीं चाहिए. After this class, you will be very much capable to draft, to have argue. Sir, please check doubt. You will be very much capable to argue with the person who are having the experience of 10 years, 20 years. No problem at all. Okay, sir, Chitrakshi is saying, sir, I have one doubt. Let me check, beta. आपने कहाँ लिखा है? अच्छा, sir, but this deed of adherence cannot be filled out when the agreement is between Prateek and Piyush. This will be only filled when Gopal comes. Chitrakshi, can you please unmute yourself and ask your doubt? Words may create ambiguity. What exactly you wanna say? Yes, Chitrakshi, you are not audible, unfortunately. So, okay, let me again read the doubts of yours. Sir, but the deed of adherence cannot be filled out when the agreement, which agreement? Acha, shareholders agreement, shares is between Prateek and Piyush. This will only be filled when Gopal comes. What you wanna say when Gopal comes? Answer to her question is yes, it will only be executed when Gopal comes. Very nice, Sagar. I am so proud of you again. You are just starting giving the answers. Very nice. So proud of you. बस ऐसे ही learning करते रहो. Learning is very important. I am just giving you one commitment. Just let me share one screen with all of you. Whatsoever we have completed as of now, हम काफी सारी चीजें complete कर चुके हैं as of now. Let me share the course brochure with you. Just a second. Yes. Just a second. Zoom is here. So, sir, we have studied the concept with respect to this. हमने अभी तक क्या क्या कर लिया है, sir? We have understood this business transfer agreement, asset purchase agreement, shareholders agreement, share subscription agreement, purchase agreement, all these things we have completed as of now. अब ये वाले जो कॉन्सेप्ट है ना, ये जस्ट 2 क्लासेस के कॉन्सेप्ट्स है. These concepts are just of 2 classes maximum. आपको फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जो मेहनत करनी थी ना, वो इन्हीं में करनी थी, इन्हीं में आपको मेहनत करनी थी. यू जस्ट हैव टू वर्क हार्ड इन दीज अग्रीमेंट्स ओनली, क्योंकि यही आपको अच्छी सैलरी देगा. इफ यू हैव द थोरो नॉलेज ऑफ दिस शेयर परचेज, शेयर सब्सक्रिप्शन, शेयर होल्डर, asset purchase, business transfer agreement, then only you will get the best salary. अगर आपको इन सब की थोरो नॉलेज है, आप किसी से भी आर्ग्यू कर सकते हो. That's in this case SPA will be executed, not the share purchase agreement, not the asset purchase agreement. आपको यहाँ पर आर्ग्यू करना पड़ेगा. You have to analyze, आपको होमवर्क करना पड़ेगा. 1 day का you just have to give 1 hour to everyone. 1 hour to every lecture you just have to give in that case. So difference between share subscription and share purchase. Chitrakshi, Shaitan बच्चा, share purchase and share subscription में difference कौन बताएगा? कौन बताएगा? Yes, Sagar.
Share subscription agreement is agreement. It is executed when new shares of the company are floated.
New shares are being allotted to one person. In that case, share.
Yes, sir. Subscription agreement is executed.
Subscription agreement will be executed. Very nice. And share purchase agreement?
When the old shares are transferred from one person to another, then the share purchase agreement is executed.
Very nice, Sagar. I am so proud of you.
Thank
okay,
you, sir.
I forgot. No problem, Pritika. Very nice. Archana, very nice. आप सब काफी होशियार बच्चे अब बन चुके हो थोड़े-थोड़े. Can Gopal make amendment in deed of adherence after if he transfers shares? He कौन हो गया यहाँ पर? If अच्छा यहाँ पर गोपाल की जगह आप प्रतीक लिख दो. Can Pratik make? अच्छा can Gopal if he transfers shares to Piyush? Muskan, what you wanna say? Please, you are very much allowed to unmute.
Sir, actually, my question is that can Gopal? I'm not so like I cannot frame the question actually, but my question is that can Gopal make amendment in the deed of adherence when he is transferring the shares to Piyush?
अच्छा, मैं आपका डाउट समझ गया. आप पता है क्या कहना चाहते हो? You just wanna say this example. Let me check. But you wanna say this? Just an example I am sharing. Let's say there are 2 shareholders as of now. Just a second. Draw pencil. Yes, this one. Let's say there are 2 shareholders. Pratik, I got your doubt. Piyush. They incorporated one company. This company, Corporate Guru. No problem. Now, let's say Pratik के पास 1000 shares है, Piyush के पास 1000 shares है. They have executed the shareholders agreement with themselves. उन्होंने 10 terms settle कर दी. 10 terms उन्होंने shareholders agreement में लिख दी है. No problem at all. Now, Pratik is selling his shares to Gopal.
Okay.
ठीक है. Now, sir, आपका क्या doubt है? Sir, क्या ऐसा हो सकता है? गोपाल ये कह रहा है पीयूष को, hey, I will not agree with these 10 terms. Let's make the 11 terms. You just want to say this, yes or no?
Yeah, yes, no.
In that case, yes. कौन बताना चाहेगा? Anyone would like to answer in that case? Yes, Sagar.
No, sir. I don't think it is possible because he has to abide by the deed of adherence. He has to abide that.
He has to abide by the deed of adherence. But let's say, for example, अगर पीयूष agree हो जाता है, if Piyush is agreed,
sir,
That may
then
happen.
we have to see I guess then we have to check with the article of association.
अच्छा, whether the same is allowed or not. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, the same is allowed. Now.
No. Then I don't know, sir. Then.
So
I
see.
think
Yes, Prabhat. Go ahead, please, beta.
yes, now new shareholder agreement will be signed or executed.
Correct. But for example, whether Gopal have to abide with the 10 terms, these 10 terms, the answer is yes.
Okay.
जो existing rights होंगे with respect to the shares, वही तो transfer होंगे गोपाल को भी.
Yeah.
अरे मेरे पास 10 रुपए है, how can I transfer 11 rupees? How can I transfer 11 rupees if I have only 10 shares? Right or no? So जो shares के right मेरे पास है, I can only transfer those right to Gopal. Yes or no?
Okay.
Yes,
Yes.
Muskan.
Yes, I got it.
Got the concept? Very nice.
Yes, sir. And so, actually, I want to know that is the deed of adherence. I mean, you make that deed when there are co-owners in the company.
This is your first class.
Yeah.
Very
Yes.
nice. I am so proud of you, Muskan. You just have to see 6 lectures as of now, Muskan.
Okay.
In that
sir.
case, we have gone through with all these things.
Okay, sir.
Do you have all the 6 lectures as of now?
Yes, sir. I have.
Okay, you haven't seen as of now. Shaitan?
No, sir. I just got it yesterday, so I didn't got the time to check those lectures.
Very nice, very nice. So you got the concept which we have studied today?
Yes, sir.
ये
Very
आपके
much.
काफी new concept होगा, but I am very glad अगर आपको समझ में आया तो great.
Totally, sir.
Great. Pritika is saying yes, Gopal has to abide by the terms. Amendment right may not be available to him. Very nice, Pritika. You are one of the Gyani student now. So, sir, अब मैं आपको एक बात बताना चाहता हूँ. We have completed the half module as of now. Today is Saturday. आप सभी का I will have or I will conduct one test. उस टेस्ट में क्या होगा? Your marks will be evaluated. Top performance will be evaluated. जो भी होगा top performance को will be given some extra benefits. So, जो आपका टेस्ट होगा, whatsoever we have studied, मैंने आपकी एक डेट फाइनलाइज की है 23. I have finalized the date 23 of July. As of now, whatsoever we have studied, I will give the test. You have 6 or 7 days as of now. You are very much allowed to ask me any doubt. I just want to have expertise of you, whatsoever we have studied. Achha, sir, you said you will provide more practice questions of drafting agreement. Yes, I will provide today. मुझे ये concept आपको समझाने थे, but I will provide today. Prabhat is saying, sir, could you please extend the date? Why, Prabhat?
Hello, sir. Sir, I am writing the dissertation for my LLM program. So, sir,
Okay.
I have to submit in 5 or 6 days. So, I am busy in that. Okay, so I need some 4 or 5 days for that.
Achha, okay, so let's have just let me check. After that, we will have this one day, Saturday and Sunday. So let's have the test on 30th of July, the complete module 1 test. Yes, Prabhat, is it okay?
Yes, sir, it is okay, fine.
Before that, we will complete whole module 1. One test of 2 hours will be given to you. Drafting hogi usme, your answers will be evaluated and the top performance will be given the undue advantage as of now. अगर आपको उससे पहले कोई डाउट है, आप मेरे से फोन करके कभी भी anytime you can ask your doubt. Okay, I hope अब आपको कोई डाउट नहीं होगा. I will share all these notes with you after this class. Let's again meet in the tomorrow's class at the same time, same place. Thank you so much to all of you. Take care. Sir, can I get template which you have shared previously? ये कौन बच्चा है? सागर? कौन बच्चा बोल रहा है?
No, sir, I am not that one.
So you are
I
not?
guess no, sir, it's Muskan. It's Muskan.
Yes, Muskan, you will get everything. Okay, thank you so much to all of you. Let's meet tomorrow, same time, same place. Thank you so much. Stay safe.